Hello everyone, good morning. Today I'm going to be decorating the tree that I have in my bedroom. I'm going to be using some golden brown, some glittery eucalyptus to match my room. So I'll be starting by doing my tree topper and then the matching swag that hangs off of the sides here. So those are the first things I'm going to be putting on the tree. Next, I'm going to go in with my glass ornaments. I've got 3 of these for this tree. You'll notice that I have these in every single one of my trees in my house. I just wrap this piece of wire around them like this so that I can just wrap it around a branch one time like this. That way, when I pull them off, it'll just come right off of the branch. Just kidding, 2 twists for these bigger ones. Wrapped them all up nice and neat so that they're easy for me to just put back up the next year. Look at these beauties. I'm going to go in with these. I think I have 5. Thanks you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I apologize for the lighting. It was really giving me struggles throughout the entire video, so I hope you guys were able to see the video. We have many more Christmas videos coming out, so stay tuned for those. We'll see you in the next ones. Bye guys.